Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Spenta new launch project located in Versova, Andheri West. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project. Right behind me is the actual land parcel that we'll show you in detail later. Also, you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. The road you can see towards the left will lead you to metro station, and the road towards the right will lead you to Infinity Mall and Kokilaben Hospital. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. But Housey is one such real estate platform where the listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And this over here is the actual land parcel of the project where the construction will soon start. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.63 acre that will have 2 towers of ground plus 29 story, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Also, you have Jori options available. And now, talking about location and connectivity, this project is located at Model Town Andheri West, from where Versova Metro Station is at a distance of 50 meters, Versova Beach is at a distance of 5 minutes, Andheri Railway Station is at a distance of 4 kilometers, and you have Kokilaben Hospital at a distance of 2 minutes from the project. Speaking of amenities, this project has swimming pool, gym, banquet hall, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. Talking about configurations and carpet areas, as said, this project has 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences with 2 BHK in the carpet area of 650 to 750 square feet and 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1100 to 1200 square feet. Also, you have Jori options available. And speaking of USPs of the project, you have sea view and garden views from the project. And now, talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying an EOI amount of 2.16 lakh for 2 BHK and 3.60 lakh for 3 BHK. So everyone, this was the teaser of Spenta new launch project located in Versova, Andheri West.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.